Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to disable or remove two-factor authentication, MFA, in Salesforce, whether you need to turn it off for the whole organization or just disconnect a specific user who lost their device. Let's get into it. First, disable MFA for the entire organization. If you need to remove the requirement for every user in your Salesforce instance, you can do this globally through the identity settings. Click the gear icon in the top right and select Open Advanced Setup. Use the Quick Find box on the left to search for and select Identity Verification. Look for the checkbox labeled Require Multi-Factor Authentication, MFA, for all direct UI logins to your Salesforce org. Simply uncheck this box and click Save at the bottom of the page. This instantly removes the mandatory MFA prompt for all users logging in via the standard interface. Next, contact Salesforce support. If you are the only system administrator and you are locked out of your own account with no way to verify your identity, you won't be able to access the settings mentioned above. You will need to contact Salesforce support directly to initiate an admin lockout recovery. Since this involves high-level security, be prepared to provide proof of identity and authorization for your organization. Salesforce takes these requests very seriously to prevent unauthorized access, so this process may take some time. Use this option only if all other admins are unavailable and you have no backup verification methods, like recovery codes, saved. And that's pretty much it. To remove MFA in 2026, you can either uncheck the global requirement in identity verification, or if you're an admin who is completely locked out with no other options, your final step is to contact Salesforce support to verify your identity and regain access to your instance. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.